This 2020 Entegra Coach Accolade 37K is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Entegra Coach is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Windsor, Vagabond interior, sleeps 5, slideout, auxiliary battery, LP detector, TV, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, stovetop burner, CO detector, DVD player, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front dinette, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2020 Entegra Coach Accolade 37K is built on a Freightliner S2RV Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.